What's up, future millionaires? Welcome back to Kingdom Cash, where we don't chase trends, we build empires. Today we're about to embark on a game-changing journey. I'm not talking about dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or any of that worn-out guru fluff. Nah, that's old news. We're diving into 7 fresh and insanely profitable online business models that are dominating 2025, and most gurus haven't even caught up yet. Just 2 years ago, I was clocking into a 9-to-5, burnt out and dreaming of financial freedom. Fast forward to today, I'm running multiple online businesses bringing in $300,000 plus per month. And now, I'm handing you the exact playbook that got me here. So grab your notebook, block out distractions, and let's get into it. AI-powered knowledge ecosystem development. Forget basic online courses, this is next level. In 2025, the real winners are building AI-powered knowledge ecosystems that adapt to each user. And oh, the potential here is staggering. $40,000 to $200,000 per month. These platforms aren't static, they analyze learning styles, track progress, and adjust content accordingly. Think about it like this. Netflix meets Harvard meets Tony Robbins with AI. How it works. Step 1. Choose a niche with high-value, evolving skills. Think cybersecurity, AI, quantum computing, areas that are constantly growing and changing. Step 2. Partner with AI developers to build custom models trained on expert content. Step 3. Create multi-format content, interactive video lessons, simulations, mentorship programs, and adaptive learning paths. Monetization. Monthly memberships range from $97 to $997. Enterprise licensing can go from $5,000 to $50,000 per month. And white label deals plus API access can create even more passive streams. Alright, let's dive into a fascinating case study. Michael built a blockchain development platform. With just a $20,000 investment, he managed to hit $87,000 per month in only 6 months. Why? Because his platform didn't just teach, it walked users through real-world implementation. Moving on to niche digital twin platforms. The potential here? We're talking $30,000 to $150,000 per month. Digital twins used to be reserved for aerospace or automotive industries. But now, you can build niche versions for small businesses or high-value services. Imagine virtual models of farms, gyms, factories, even churches, yes really, that track real-time data and optimize performance. And here's a bonus. Businesses absolutely love digital twins because they save money, reduce risk, and boost efficiency. So you can definitely charge a premium. Creator licensing agencies. Potential earnings range from $25,000 to $120,000 per month. With the creator economy booming, influencers need help monetizing intellectual property. Enter you. You start an agency that licenses creators' content for ads, merch, NFTs, courses, books, you name it. You handle the legal and logistics. They focus on creating. It's a win-win. Revenue, you take a 30 to 50% cut of every deal plus monthly retainers. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a business breakthrough. Got questions or want deeper dives? Drop a comment. I'm always lurking in there with gems. Personalized AI wellness concierge. Potential $20,000 to $90,000 per month. Combine AI, biohacking, and wellness to create a digital wellness concierge. Here's the pitch. We'll build you a personal AI coach that monitors your health, nutrition, sleep, supplements, and workouts, 24/7. Think Whoop plus Headspace plus Tony Robbins, but smarter. Clients pay big money for this kind of support, especially high performers, CEOs, and pro athletes. Virtual real estate asset management. Potential $15,000 to $100,000 per month. Metaverse isn't dead, it just grew up. In 2025, people and businesses are buying virtual land on platforms like Spatial and Mona. But guess what? They don't know how to manage or monetize it. That's where you come in. Offer virtual property setup, monetization strategies, event hosting, and branding packages. Bonus bundle services with AR/VR developers and graphic designers for extra income. Decentralized Research as a Service, or DRaaS. Potential earnings range from $10,000 to $80,000 per month. Businesses, venture capitalists, and governments are hungry for real-time research, but they don't trust centralized sources. Start a decentralized network that crowdsources research from verified experts across the globe. Tokenize contributions, sell access. You become the bridge between raw data and actionable insights. Quantum computing middleware solutions. Potential earnings range from $50,000 to $250,000 per month. Last but definitely not least, quantum. Quantum computers are exploding, but 95% of businesses don't know how to integrate them. So instead of building hardware, you build the middleware that makes quantum tech usable for regular companies. Think APIs, data translators, performance optimizers, and error correction tools. Focus on industries like finance with risk modeling, pharma with molecular simulation, and logistics with supply chain optimization. Real story. Sarah focused on finance and locked in 3 major banks. Within 8 months, she was doing $180,000 per month in recurring revenue. Why? Because she didn't sell the tech, she made it work for them. Conclusion: your path to success. You've just seen 7 business models that are crushing it in 2025. But don't just sit on this info, take action. Alright, so week 1 is all about choosing your model. You want to match it to your skills, passion, and resources. And don't forget to research demand and competition. Now, moving on to weeks 2 through 4, this is your planning phase. You need to map out your strategy, build your business plan, and identify the tools, people, and timelines you'll need. Alright, let's dive into weeks 5 through 10. Build and prep. First, create your MVP or minimum viable product. Next, set up your online presence. And finally, develop your marketing funnel. Now, moving on to weeks 11 through 14. Launch and optimize. Run your pilot, gather real customer feedback, and iterate fast. Remember, perfection is the enemy of profit. And hey, the biggest risk is waiting for the perfect moment. The time to act? Right now. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a business breakthrough. Got questions or want deeper dives? Drop a comment. I'm always lurking in there with gems. And as always, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that.